when everybody does their job properly, that is how you make a film and that is how a film works. किसी एक आदमी के कंधे पे फिल्म नहीं चलती है.
It's a huge pleasure and honor to have Mr. Ajay Devgan and Sharat Kelkar with us. It's a pleasure having you guys with us on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you, Faridun.
Wonderful to meet you in person, finally. शरद से मैं जूम कॉल में मिला हूँ, लेकिन आपसे काफ़ी दिनों के बाद मुलाकात हो रही है. And sir, you've done several patriotic films. How do you rate Bhuj differently from others?
What do you mean rate differently?
Like in terms of experience-wise, because it's not a regular patriotic film as far as you are concerned, in terms of the character that you're playing.
I mean, first time I would be playing somebody from the Air Force.
Right.
And the experience is nearly the same. But in Bhuj, we've gone much beyond. I mean, if you saw some portions right now?
I've seen, yes.
So I think you can judge from the scale and things like this. It's something which has never been done in our country. And great story to tell, not just about one person. It's about so many heroes who've some sacrificed their lives, rest of them sacrificed a lot of things, and apart from the forces, story of 300 women who were part of no force, and their sacrifices. How it would not have been possible for our country to win and get Bhuj back. In the sense, it was nearly cut off, and it would, if this wouldn't have happened, it was gone from India. And how? Because of these 300 women and these couple of armed forces heroes, we could win the war.
Right. And so Sharat Kelkar, I've taken a YouTube comment and about you. This is by Prashant Sathe. This is the best song of 2021. Soulful song, voice of Desh. Arijit Singh, Sharat Kelkar, those expressions. Aankh mein aansu aa gaye. This man made me cry in Lakshmi Bomb as well. His eyes speak more than words.
Sir, आप आँखों की बातें आप करें. If we're talking about eyes, I think the man is sitting beside me.
Of course, even I was thinking that.
The whole world knows he acts. Nobody can act like him with eyes, I think. So, I am a learner. I am a stealer, I can say. I can steal few things from good actors. So I'm trying to, work around it, and as much as I can grow in terms of as an actor, I try and.
This is my second film with him. I think he's even in Tanaji as Chhatrapati Shivaji. Nobody could have suited better.
Right.
So I try and do what's been given to me, and thanks to Prashant, I think he liked so much and really honored.
Right. स्टील की आपने बात करी. एक और कमेंट है इमरान सिद्दीकी का. नाम शरद केलकर, पेशा फिल्म के बाकी एक्टर्स से लाइमलाइट छीन लेना.
काम बंद करवाना है सर आपको.
No, but why I can say it in front of Ajay Devgan is that he's one of the most secure actors.
Obviously, yeah.
Ajay Devgan अगर फ्रेम में खड़े हैं तो वो अपने आप में वो जीत.
I'll tell you honestly, with Akshay sir also, or maybe with Ajay sir also, what last 3-4 films I have done, I think they have given me immense liberty to play as I want to play the character. There was no guidelines or interference or कुछ नहीं मतलब. It was like the way they narrated, the way I acted, it's been accepted. और इसमें कुछ तो I'm really lucky, I think, to work with such actors who are secured and they give me that liberty to play as I want to play.
Right. And sir, अजय सर, आपके बारे में एक ये बात कह सकते हैं कि आप हर फिल्म में आपका डबल रोल होता है. बिकॉज एक तो अजय देवगन है, दूसरा आपकी आंखें. दोनों काम करने. एंड सर, लाइक से अगर हम इसमें बात करें, मैंने आपसे पहले भी इसके बारे में जिक्र किया हुआ है. जैसे एमी विर्क फिल्म में इस तरीके से नज़र में आ रहे हैं, या फिर सोनाक्षी का कैरेक्टर आ रहा है, फिर संजय दत्त या फिर शरद का. एवरीवन वो एक अपना उनकी एक पहचान बनती है अपनी, वो उभर के आते हैं. आपके लिए एज एन एक्टर इतना इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है दैट ऑल द अदर एक्टर्स अराउंड यू दे शुड फ्लावर amongst you?
Because when everybody does their job properly, that is how you make a film and that is how a film works. किसी एक आदमी के कंधे पे फिल्म नहीं चलती है, और जब टोटलिटी में फिल्म अच्छी होगी तभी फिल्म चलेगी. और वो कब अच्छी होगी? जब हर डिपार्टमेंट अपना काम ठीक करेगा, हर एक्टर लगेगा कि वो वही किरदार है. एंड एक्शन का जो रिएक्शन होता है, अगर सामने वाला एक्शन अच्छा नहीं करेगा तो हमारा रिएक्शन कैसे अच्छा होगा? सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ सिनर्जी. और एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाने के लिए आपको ये देखना पड़ता है कि सभी अच्छा काम करें.
All right. And so Sharad, what has been your learning experience working with Ajay Devgan?
So he's the industry basically. You can ask him anything first of all about filmmaking, from scripting to direction to action to editing to VFX. So, and I am a craver. I want to learn a lot. So our DOP also he said, "तू बहुत पूछता रहता है," because I have interest in terms of कि lenses कौन से हैं, क्या एंगल में है, ये edit में क्या हो रहा है, VFX कैसा है, क्या टेक्निक है. So for me तो he is the ideal man to interact I think. क्योंकि इनको इतना पता है कि मुझे थोड़ा भी पता चल गया तो मैं सेटिस्फाइड रहता हूँ लाइफ में. सो डूइंग अ फिल्म एंड पर्टिकुलरली अभी हम नॉर्मल बैठे हैं बात कर रहे हैं, एक बार आप देखो एक्ट करके इनके साथ में, एक बार सामने सीन करके, एक बार जब 1-on-1 सीन होता है ना, आप सिर्फ देखते भी रहोगे ना तो आपके चेहरे पर एक्सप्रेशन आ सकते हैं. जो ये बोल रहे हैं वो सुनोगे, सिर्फ आवाज़ और आंखें देख लोगे ना तो ये आपको अपनी लाइन याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है या इनकी क्यूज़ को ध्यान में रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो ऑटोमेटिकली आप जब सुनोगे ना फीलिंग आती है फेस के ऊपर. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ हिम. जब आप साथ में काम करोगे तो उससे आपका परफॉर्मेंस भी अच्छा होता है.
ये हमने पिछला इंटरव्यू किया था आपके साथ में, आपने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टेटमेंट आपने कही थी विच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे रेजोनेटेड विद दैट लेटर, दैट आपने कहा था कि दैट एरा ऑफ सुपरस्टार्स और सुपरस्टारडम इज़ ओवर नाउ. एंड इंसिडेंटली उसके बाद लॉकडाउन एंड द एंटायर OTT थिंग हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट. We have had a lot of new stars who have come about, like Pankaj Tripathi and or these Jaideep Ahlawat and everyone. There's a new definition of stardom in a way as well. आप कैसे देखते हैं सर ये जो आपने एक बात कही थी?
I think it's a very positive thing. अच्छे टैलेंट को चांस मिल रहा है, अच्छे एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं, स्टार्स अपनी राइट पे स्टार्स हैं और वो रहेंगे. बट ये जो नए लोग उभर के आ रहे हैं विद देयर परफॉर्मेंस, दे आर आल्सो बिकमिंग स्टार्स ओनली, यू नो, इवेंचुअली. So it's a great thing. The more the merrier. I think हम जब कास्टिंग करते हैं तो हमको 10 बार सोचना पड़ता है, यार ये कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन कोई सूट नहीं कर रहा है, इसमें कोई मिल नहीं रहा कैरेक्टर. अब वो चीज़ें आसान होती जा रही है. There are 10 options. So which is a great thing of filmmaking.
Right. And you're having Bhuj that is releasing on a platform that is hugely popular in India and it is present in various parts of the world as well. So on a given day, it will reach out to a huge number of people directly in their homes. How do you look at this?
That's the great thing. When we work, the intention is that maximum people see it, appreciate it, hopefully, लेकिन देखें ज़रूर. तो अगर आपके पास ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिस पे आपको पता है कि लोग देखेंगे और अपनी सुविधा के साथ जब उनको मौका मिलेगा देखेंगे तो वो ज़रूर देखेंगे. तो I think it's a great feeling for every actor, every technician, every filmmaker.
Right. And amongst the superstars, I think you are the first ones to announce a web show on as Rudra is something.
I think मुझसे पहले अक्षय ने अनाउंस किया था.
Yeah, but I think he has still not started from what I understand.
Shooting नहीं हुई है, but he announced before.
He announced, yeah, of course. But I think you are in the entire process of filming.
Yeah, I'm already shooting.
Yeah, so I'm saying maybe from that perspective, how different an experience is this, sir?
I think it's similar. It's similar as practically similar to shooting a film. So I don't see any difference between, because that is also like a film but an extended version of a film. You know, it's like a couple of episodes. Yeah. So I think fark zyada nahi.
And you have earned a lot of popularity because of your OTT experiences. So tell us how's life changed for you?
Yeah, the reach increased obviously because these series, like if you say Special Ops or Family Man, is hugely viewed by people. I think it's rated also quite high on IMDb. So reach has increased, and people know, and the perspective of viewers has changed now. They want to see performances. They want to see stories. So with that, I think for us as an actor, it's a huge advantage that OTT is there, and you can do different kind of roles and showcase your talent, get the opportunity also to do it. So it's a fantastic phase, I think not just me, but I think for all the actors.
All right, and sir, almost everyone is waiting for theatres to open up. We've seen down south, like Master, it has achieved in terms of success as far as theatres are concerned. Hindi, we are still to see that.
Because it's not open completely, but the moment it will open, I think people will flock to the theatres because
they're waiting.
Cinema experience is cinema experience. So just keeping fingers crossed. I think just not down south. I think all over the world, wherever theatres are opened, films which have released have done fabulously well. Even I just heard
Fast and Furious did pretty well.
Even day before yesterday I was told Ami's film is releasing, has opened to a great advance. So I think it's a good thing, and it's bound to happen.
And so personally, how do you look at the future of entertainment in India?
It's growing. It's growing now that you have theaters when they open up, and you have OTT. Like I said, a lot of new talent has scope. The industry is getting larger monetarily. I mean, पहले 2000 करोड़ की थी, अब I think it'll reach 10 billion, I think, because of including the OTT and all.
OTT.
It's a fabulous thing.
Right. Okay. And what are your plans in terms of how are you going to just mingle your films and web shows?
Waiting for theaters to open. So many films have piled up now, I think, to release. So I'm waiting for theaters to open, I think. Then one by one, all the films release. Because I almost finished 5 in last 1 year. So कितना काम कर, देखे भी तो लोग जाके.
And so we've been discussing about your directorial plans, and people are really excited to see you back as a director. How excited are you personally? And
It's nearly complete. I think next year it's releasing. Still a lot of work is left, as in not shooting, but post-production and things like this. We are on it.
Right, and Maidan is something that people are looking forward to very
I have to
eagerly.
still shoot for it. There is a couple of days shooting left. So again, both the films will be next year.
And that is something that you plan to release in theaters, Maidan?
Yeah, both the films.
All right, okay. And so, as a producer, are you thinking from this strategy in terms of that maybe you want to mix in terms of films and
As a producer, I am already. We're working on a lot of series, OTT films, and theatre releases. So all different things happening.
Right. And Sharad, what about you? Do you have any plans of getting into production?
Already did one in 2018. I produced a Marathi film. Slowly, gradually, because to set it up, I think it takes a lot of time, and I am a believer that I should go slow in that, as I worked in my acting career also. I don't want to run or fall, so I'll go slow. Obviously the plans are there. Let's see how it goes.
All right, and so interestingly, like say he was part of Family Man. The interesting part in that is that there is Tamil and there is Hindi and English, and so languages in many ways it's not an issue anymore. How do you look at this aspect, and do you think that at some stage maybe you would want to have like a Marathi element? We've seen that in Singham, for example.
I produced a Marathi film also.
Right. In terms of like Marathi, Hindi, and everything naturally coming together.
I think performance and coming on screen, language does not matter.
Of course.
If you hear something great and you think this is a fabulous thing to do, then it doesn't matter what language it is.
Right.
And I think like all over the world, it's like this.
All right. So I think there are other interviews that are lined up. So we'll end it over here. So thank you very much, sir, and thank you for your time, and thank you very much, Sharad. And आपसे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है Zoom call के बाद finally
सामने
So thank you very much, sir, and all the best wishes. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks.
Thank you.